How to access blocked websites in China. Let's find out. If you're traveling to China and you need to access websites like Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc., you need to use a VPN. Now, VPN secures your internet connection, it encrypts it, and it also routes it through a remote server somewhere else in the world. The service that I use is called Windscribe. You can access a selected number of servers worldwide, and you get 10 gigabytes of data every single month per account, free. If you want more data, you just create another account. Now make sure you download Windscribe on all of your devices before you travel, because the website is blocked in China. This is not a sponsored video, I just wanted to share this resource with other people, as it really helped me with my work emails, checking social media, and also watching YouTube videos, of course, whilst being in China. If you guys want to check it out, I do have a referral link down below, which would give you and I an extra 1 gigabyte per month free. So click the first link in the description if that sounds good. That's it for now. I'm going to go browse some Canadian content. So thanks for watching.